Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Texas Basher RC. Got a new car on the workbench. Ordered this thing a little while ago, been waiting on it. And they finally showed up. So let's check it out. Can't wait. I mean, I opened the box already, but that was about it. Hey, look at that. So you know I had to give me Mojave Grom. So this is the BLX version, the 2 to 3S. So let's get this unboxed and we'll see how it looks. Take a look at some of these box panels here. So on the front, you know, it shows this really cool blue, red, white, and blue version. This is the version that comes with the battery and charger, so that's cool. I like that it says real 35 miles an hour. That's funny. Spectrum 2-in-1 ESC, 25 amp. Adjustable turnbuckles, aluminum shock absorbers. This colorway is pretty awesome too. That pink and white. I almost got that one. So it comes with this SCT Spectrum receiver, the SLT2. This is a pretty cool color too. I like this one. It was kind of a toss-up. There's some really good looking ones. So we'll see if we can get a 50 miles an hour out of this sucker. That'd be awesome. Yeah, I don't know if you need to change the gears to make that happen or what. We got one more side here. Look at that. Clipless body. That's cool. Got these little tabs in the middle. You can just push these, I guess. We'll see once we get it opened up. Heck yeah. So I'm going to get it taken out of the box and then we'll see what's inside. Alright, here's what we got inside this thing. Got this sweet car. Take a look at that. Looks so good. I love the Mojave. I'm so glad they came out with a little one. Looks so awesome. See this clipless body work here. Oh, that's so simple. Oh, I like that it's all sealed up inside of here. That's cool. Looks like it'll help keep all that dirt out. Here's what it looks like underneath. They ship it with the battery in it, so that's cool. I'll get that taken out so I can get it charged up. Pretty awesome. Look at these aluminum shocks. They look so good. Nice and smooth, adjustable. That's cool. This looks real nice. Can't wait to take it out and bash it. Nice little 2S 1400 milliamp hour 30C battery. That'd be a good start. And they got to give me some 3S's to run in this thing. I think I have some, but they're probably way too big. Or I have some that are too small for my helicopters. But I'll probably be running those for a little while. Just short runs, but they'll do. Here's the remote it comes with. Pretty simple. Nice, easy to drive with one hand though. I like that. I don't know what's up with this. This is new. The orange button back here. Oh, it's a button. It's not a on-off like it used to be. You used to push it in and you could tell when it was on. Next, we're going to have your typical manual and a few little parts in here. Let's see. That clips on so nice. Oh, this is cool. Little card. I may have one of those from another one. I'll have to see. Start my little collection going on here. That is sick. That's sick. Right here it comes with this fancy tool. That's unique. It says Arrma on the side of it. It's pretty heavy. I guess that's your wheel hexes. That's pretty cool. And then this cheesy little USB charger. This cheap little USB charger. That's funny. Oh, I like that. USB-C. Should be use my phone charger for that. Sweet. Then your batteries. So I'm gonna get this thing charged up, and I'm gonna have to take it out for a rip. So I was looking over this manual here a little bit, just to see how this stability control works. So you can basically do that at any time when you're driving. Here's the 4 modes. So you basically just you stop the car, turn the wheel to the right, and then you push the orange button on the back, and you can cycle between the 4 different modes. So we'll be trying that out and see how that helps driving this thing. Well, I'm out here in my little spot in the neighborhood, just a little parking lot, ain't much. I'm trying to get my stupid GPS to work, but I don't know if I have my battery dead for too long. I charged it for like an hour or 2, but I can't get it to connect to my new phone for some reason. But I got the Mojave out here. I got a stock 2S battery in it for now. I'm gonna see how it does. Then I brought me this little small 3S battery just to give it a good test on that as well. If I can get my GPS to work, then I can get some speed runs in, but for now I'm just gonna give it a nice first run. Oh, this is pretty fast on 2S. Wow. Ah, I already found the water. That was fast. Thing's got some speed. This is just a 2S. Sorry it's a little windy out here. I'm sure the wind noise is gonna suck. Thing rips. Yes. Pretty cool. Oh, first crash. Oh, you can tell in the grass though. Look, I'm just gonna punch it. Oh, of course, when I wanted to show you guys, it was perfectly fine. It was bogging there for a second on certain spots. Right there, full throttle right now, and then there it's gone. It was kind of bogging out a little bit. Thing is so fun though. Overall, I'm one hand driving this thing, and it is really easy to control right now with the one hand. Right. I gotta watch that though, and I don't want to scratch this thing up already. This thing is super fun though, even just with the 2S. Alright, I just got my little tiny 3S battery in there. I'm going to try to give it a run before it starts raining. 3 beeps. It's ready. Pop that sucker on. Let's go. Holy smokes. Oh, crap. Hey, landing on the wheels though. Let's see. Yes. Definitely faster. I think I'm pretty sure it's spinning those tires. Ooh. Oh, I'll definitely be able to do some donuts now. Yeah. And it's gone. Oh. Come back. Oh, wheelie action. What's up? Yes. Oh. Oh no! Catches air when you're hauling. Alright, well, it's raining. So I guess I'm gonna call it there. Appreciate you guys watching. Thing's a beast. Definitely gonna have some more videos on this to come.